Hiyangthem Krishna Kumari. Aina takjagadoriba class 3 and 4 gi English subject. Hello children, today we are going to learn a new lesson for class 4 and this is lesson number 18 and the name of the lesson is A Wish, and which is a poem written by F.D. Sherman. And the poet F.D. Sherman is an American poet who used to write from 1860 to 1918. So children, before the poem, I would like to say something about the title of the poem itself. Okay, the title of the poem is A Wish. Okay, so what does the word wish mean? Wish haiba word sige artha sibu karino ba. So let me explain you. Wish means a desire or longing for something or for something to happen. So wish is nothing but a desire or longing for something which you want to happen. Nang karigumba aningba apamba ma oiheningli do adubo khoina kai koeba wish haibneba. So children, you all will have certain wishes. Leramgani ko nangi nasa gi aningba apamba amom ni leramgani ba. So in some day you may like to become a flower, and on some day you want to become a bird also, and again you want to become a superhero like Batman, Spider-Man, etc. So these are all human wishes. So in this poem, the poet F.D. Sherman wanted to become a kite. So his wish is to be a kite flying high up in the sky. So now let's read the poem. I often sit and wish that I could be a kite up in the sky and ride upon the breeze and go whatever way it changed to blow. Then I could look beyond the town and see the river winding down and follow all the ships that sail like me before the merry gale, until at last with them I come to some place with a foreign name. So children, this is a very short poem and it has 10 lines only. So let me explain you line by line. Okay, so the first 2 lines. I often sit and wish that I could be a kite up in the sky. In these 2 lines, the poet wishes that he could be a kite which is flying high up in the sky. So children, in the beginning of this poem, the poet said that he wished to be a kite which is flying high up in the sky. So he just wanted to be a kite, and he is telling about his wish to be a kite. So the next 2 lines, and ride upon the breeze and go whatever way it changed to blow. Now in these 2 lines, the poet wanted to ride upon the gentle wind and go whatever way or direction the wind takes him. So as a kite, the poet wanted to fly high in the sky with the gentle way, and he wanted to go wherever way or whatever direction the wind blows. In the next 2 lines, then I could look beyond the town and see the river winding down. Here the poet described his wish to look beyond the town. Town, that means the place where the poet lived or the settlement area. So he wanted to look beyond the town, and while he was flying high up in the sky, and he also wanted to see the winding river. That means winding means twist and turn movement of the river. You got it children? In these 2 lines, the poet wanted to say that he just wanted to look upon or wanted to look beyond the town where he lived, and he just wanted to see the winding river. So, the next lines, and follow all the ships that sail like me before the merry gale. Here, he further said that he wanted to follow the ships that are sailing in the sea before the strong wind or storm come. Here, the word gale means strong wind, and he said that he wanted to follow those ships that are sailing in the sea before the strong wind came. Next lines, until at last with them I come to some place with a foreign name. In these two lines, the poet wanted to fly high in the sky until he reached a different nation or different place with a different personality. So, he wanted to fly high in the sky until he reached a different place with a different name. That means with a different personality. So, children, in this poem, the poet F.D. Sharman wanted to what? Become a kite, and he also described about his wishes to be a kite. So, now we have already completed the explanation. So, children, let me read you the poem once again. I often sit and wish that I could be a kite up in the sky and ride upon the breeze and go whatever way it changed to blow. Then I could look beyond the town and see the river winding down and follow all the ships that sail like me before the merry gale, until at last with them I come to some place with a foreign name. So, children, we have already finished the poem. Now, let's find out some rhyming words from the poem itself. The first word, it is in the first line, I, the word I, okay. So, the word which rhyme with I is the word sky, S-K-Y, sky, which is in the second line. So, we have to see this ending sound, I, sky. So, these two words are rhymed together, I, sky, sky, I. You got it? Next word, go, which is in the third line, and the word which rhymed with the word go is blow, which is in the fourth line. Go, blow, blow, go. Third word, town, which is in the fifth line, and the word which has rhymed with the word town is down, which is in the sixth line. Town, down, down, town. And the fourth word is sail, which is in the seventh line, and the word which rhymed with the word sail is gale, and which is in the eighth line. Sail, gale, gale, sail. So, children, we have already find out the rhyming words from the poem. Now, let's see some new words and their meanings from the poem. First word, often, which means frequently. Second word, ride, to transport someone in vehicle. In the poem, the poet wanted to ride upon the gentle breeze. Okay. Third word, winding, twist and turn movement. In the poem, the poet wanted to see the winding movement of the river or the winding river. Okay, winding means twist and turn movement. Fourth word, gale, a strong wind or storm. Okay. So, children, we have already done these new words and their meanings. Now, let's see some activity. So, in today's activity part of our lesson, I would like to know about your wishes. So, tell me your own wish by writing 5 to 6 lines. So, you can write about what would you like to be in your wish? Is it okay, children? So, in the activity, you have to write about your wish in 5 to 6 lines. Okay? So, children, we have already finished the lesson, a poem. What? A wish, the poem written by F.D. Sharman. So, let's meet you in the next class with another lesson.